To download Photoshop, you will need to download Creative Cloud first, which is a collection of all Adobe's products. To get Creative Cloud, just search Creative Cloud, and then you can click on this link. Click on Free Trial to find Creative Cloud. There it is. Click on Download. To download Creative Cloud, you will first have to sign in with an Adobe account or a Facebook or Google account. Once you've signed in, Creative Cloud will automatically be downloaded. Once it's done downloading, just click on it or find it in a folder. Once it's done installing, you can go ahead and open up the program. You can find Photoshop by going to Apps. Once you've located Photoshop, just click on Try, and it'll start installing. When it's done installing, you'll have the option to start a trial of Photoshop, which lasts about a week, as far as I remember. If you want to be using Photoshop for more than a week, you may have to buy it. Now, before you buy Photoshop, you will most likely want to know what it actually costs, right? Let's take a look at the price by going back to Creative Cloud's website. Click on Choose a Plan. Here you can see a bunch of subscription plans. If you are considering buying Photoshop, you can get it for $10 a month at the cheapest. If you don't have that kind of money to spend on a single app, then I'm sorry, but you can't get a hold of Photoshop. Or can you?